Now today we are going to learn what is this stack concept and how it works, how it is going to store something in a memory. Okay, so see what is a stack. You can see in this picture also. Stack is a one kind of data structure. So basically what is data structure? In simple manner, we can say stack is a linear memory allocation. See, we are talking about allocation of memory in a primary memory of a computer. So stack is one type of way of allocating a memory into a primary memory. So stack is a linear memory allocation and it follows some particular order while storing elements or storing values into the memory. Okay, so what is that order? So order is here you can see last in first out or first in last out. Okay, so this is a specific way of storing elements into a memory, or we can say a specific structure with the help of which we can store values into the memory. But how? What kind of structure is that? So what kind of structure is that? Yes, so this type of structure is that. Stack is a this type of structure where you can see in childhood definitely you have played with this type of uh, um, what we can say this type of stack structure. Okay, the rings are one ring on the other ring. Okay, or another example is books on the each another. Okay, or plates, we can say this is a stack of rings or stack of books or stack of plates. Correct. So these are few examples to which we can say as a stack. These are stack. But how this type of stack is used in memory, how values can be stored into the memory in a stack structure. Okay, so let's see what is that. So when you are storing elements into a stack, or when you are putting elements into a stack, you can perform two operations: push operation and pop operation. What do you mean by push? Push means inserting elements into a stack. You can see here in this GIF image. Okay, while you are inserting elements into stack, you are pushing those elements into a stack or into a memory, inserting those elements into a memory. And while removing those elements from a stack, it is called as a pop. Okay, so these are called as operations of stack. These are nothing different, push or pop. It is just having another name as insert and remove. If you want to insert elements, insert values into a stack type of memory, it is called as push. And if you want to remove elements, remove values from a memory, it is called as pop. Okay, nothing different. So let us see this thing with one simple example. Okay, so I'll explain you the stack concept with one simple example, that this guy. Okay, so this is Harry, right? And he is going to do some work. What kind of work he is going to do? We will see what kind of work he is going to do, and in that way, he is going to tell you how stack works. Okay, so we will see one by one. Now, this Harry is carrying five boxes. You can see in the image, Harry is having five boxes with him, and Harry wants to store these five boxes into this empty container. Okay, this is one kind of empty container, and you know about the container, how container works. Container is having only one open end, so it is having only one open end. Okay, so in same way, stack in a memory is having only one open end. That means from the one open end, you can insert elements and you can remove elements, right? So here this container is right now represented as a stack, right? Now this Harry wants to put these boxes into the container, correct? And now right now my container is completely empty. Now when container is empty, it is at a -1 position. Okay, that means the top of the container is currently -1. Okay, empty is represented with the help of -1, right? Now, one by one, we will see how he is going to store these elements into the stack, or these boxes into the container, correct? So, can you guess, right? See, so he has inserted first box into the container. So how first box inserted into the container? He has taken the topmost box from here and put that box into the container. Now as you put that box into the container, where it is going? It is going at the bottom, correct? And here now top is pointing to this first box. That means now this container is saying that there is one box available in the container, and that is why top is now represented as 0, because previously top was -1. Now it is 0. It is incremented by 1 just. Okay, so it is called as push first box, and then stack top is 0. Okay, now we will try to insert second box. So what is going to happen? What kind of change is going to happen? You just imagine and try to match with the next slide. Okay, so see, now second box is inserted, and from here we took the second box, and this Harry has inserted second box into the container, and the stack top is changed now. What is the stack top? Stack top is 1 now. Previously it was 0, now it is 1. So we pushed second box into the stack, into the container, and now it is showing me that there are two boxes, and topmost box is second box. Okay, now we will try to insert another box, next box. That this Harry will try to insert next box. So as Harry is inserting next box, third box, so what changes happened over here? Now it is easy to imagine to you, correct? Now stack top is pointing to third box. That means third box is at the top of the container, and that is why top is pointing to 2. One more time it is incremented by 1, correct? So third box is pushed onto the stack. Same way we inserted fourth box also, right? And now stack top is 3, correct? Now this Harry is trying to insert fifth box, but Harry found that this container doesn't have a space. Now this container cannot accommodate fifth box into it, because now this container is full, correct? So stack top is still pointing to 3, because we have zeroth element, this zeroth box, first box, second box, third box, correct? Now, what we have to do? We have to remove the topmost box from the stack, and then only we can insert, or we can push the fifth box into this container, correct? So we need to take out fourth box from the stack and push that fifth box onto the stack. So here we have taken out the fourth box. So now we can see one space is available over here, correct? So fourth box, Harry has taken the fourth box, okay, and then he has put fifth box into the stack, correct? And now he has taken the fourth box to somewhere else, or he's going to put that fourth box in some other container, correct? Right? So now he has put all the boxes into the container, and he has taken that fourth box with him, and he is going to put that fourth box somewhere else. Yes, are you getting everyone? So this is the stack data structure, and this stack data structure we use in a memory. This type of concept which you learned from the story, this type of concept is used in primary memory, where we can store few elements in this manner, and we can remove elements in this type of order of operation. Okay, what was the order of operation? First in, last out, or last in, first out. Okay, so now Harry is saying bye bye to all. He has completed his work, correct?